Now today let's start with chapter number 2, Maps are Guide. In this chapter we will study about maps, different types of maps, making of maps and reading of maps. Now a globe represents the earth as a whole or a small size. It occupies lot of space and it is difficult to carry it everywhere. ये क्या करता है? बहुत सारी space को occupy करता है and it is very difficult to carry. Then what is map? It represents the whole or the part of Earth. According to the scale, maps are not as accurate as the globe. जितना accurate आपके globe होता है उतना accurate नहीं होता है map. Map cannot be replaced by globe as they have certain advantages over globe. Map shows selected physical and cultural features of the earth, and we can show mountains, plateaus, plains, valleys, towns, cities, villages, roads, railways on a map. And these features, what they show? They shown through colors, lines and various symbols. Now we have types of map. We have 3 types of map: political map, physical map and thematic map. In political map, we will see your states, their capital and country. And in physical map, the mountain ranges, plain, desert area, coastal plains, island, these are shown in the physical map. Let's talk about the thematic map. Thematic maps are the map which shows the industries, wildlife and different things, like it also shows industrial areas, automobile industries, different sectors they show to us. Now there are several types of maps. A map that depicts different landforms and water body. What it depicts? Different landforms and water body we are called physical map. A map that shows division of world into countries or country into states and the state, what it is called? It is called your political map. Like weather, vegetation map and your soil map, mineral map, road map, pollution. What are these? These are different, known as thematic map. And a book that contains different types of maps, what it is called? Atlas. Next chapter is making of the maps. How do we make the maps? Maps have been in use since ancient time. In the beginning, some tribal people made maps of their areas and sent using twigs and shells. Now, making of maps. Maps have been used since ancient times. In the beginning, some tribal people made maps for the area on site using twigs and shells. Later, what happened? Mathematicians and geometry were used to make maps, and sailors especially maps of their voyage. Later, scientific survey and instrument enabled the geographer to draw various types of maps accurately. The science of making maps are called cartography. And the person who makes map, what they are called? They are called cartographer. And nowadays, computers are also used to draw maps with the help of satellite pictures. Such a maps provide more accurate information about the weather condition. Now, which helps in the accurate forecasting of weather. इससे क्या करते हैं हम? Accurate weather forecasting करते हैं. Next, we have reading a map. We read map according to scale, direction. The first is scale. A map without scale is merely a sketch. We cannot show virtual size on the map. So we need a scale to draw a map. A given distance, say 100 kilometer, may be represented by 1 centimeter. This is called scale of map. With the help of scale, we can show long distances. What do we show? Long distances. Then we have direction. Basically, here we have 4 cardinal direction: north, south, east, west. So with the help of direction, and we had some sub-direction also: northeast, northwest, southeast and southwest. We denote it with letter NSEW, and the top of the map always shows north, or the bottom of the map indicates south. To your right is the east, and to your left we have your. Now look at the map of India. The Jammu Kashmir lies in the north. Indian Ocean, it lies in the south of India. Arunachal Pradesh lies in the east, and Gujarat, where does it lies? It lies in the west. You can see over here, these are the different direction. This is your east-west direction. And between north and east lies your northeast, between south and east, southeast, between south and west, southwest. Like this, we have sub-direction also. Now colors. Colors of the maps are very useful to show the different physical features. Like river we show with blue color, mountains with brown color, and light blue shows shallow water of the sea, dark blue shows deep water. Green color is used to show plains, and yellow and light brown color they shows flat. And dark brown color shows hills and mountains. What does dark brown color shows? Hills and mountains. Now K or legend is provided to understand the map. It shows the depth of water. Water की depth को बताता है as well as height of the landform. Now we have symbols. Let's talk about symbols. What are symbols? A symbol is a sign specially drawn to represent something. We use many symbols to show details. We can show various type of boundaries, international, state, district using the symbol. These are the different symbols. This is of international boundary, state boundary, metal road, unmetal road, bridge, railway line. This is dam, well and tank, stream, forest, capital city, temple. This is a church, mosque. These are the different symbols that we use. So map is a list of symbols used in, it is called key of the map. Maps are very important not for only for geographer but also for explorers, students, teachers and the scientists. Right? This was all in this chapter. I have told you about the different direction and different colors that we use and different symbols that we use. Hope you understood. Now we will meet in the next class. That's all for today. Thank you.